So I had this ground squirrel move into my backyard. My property opens up onto a huge field, and every now and then I get some critters moving in. Normally I wouldn't mind a ground squirrel, but they can do lots of damage to your property, digging lots of holes. So quite a few years ago I picked up this live trap. It's made by Havahart, and to set it you just simply flip the handle, and as soon as the animal steps on this plate they spring the trap. I put some peanut butter and apple slices in it, and I just couldn't get him to go inside. He was climbing on top. Supposed to go inside of it, not on top of it. So I finally covered the trap in branches and leaves and got him to go inside. But the animal was so light that he didn't spring the trap. So what I did is on this trigger right here, I just lifted it up just a little bit so it was hanging on by a thread. Finally got him to go back inside, and he sprung the trap. Gotcha. So after I captured him, I walked way out into this field, and this field's pretty rough. It's deep grass, lots of mud, so I have to say it was a pretty rough ride for him. And I let him go. There you go. And I don't think I'll be seeing him again. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.